Does it go to Nara?
Yeah.
Nice one. Merry Christmas, guys. We're off to Narra to see an opening Christmas light show. And this is pretty much the way that we get there. We get in through this multi-cab slash van thing here. And we're vibing it, getting in. Oh, I feel the aircon in here, like. Very, very nice. Right, guys, we've just arrived in Narra and I'm a wee bit hungry. I don't know how long it's going to take till these lights get switched on or anything, but I'm seeing a quick here. This man, I think, is getting some lumpia and is... Hello, bro. Is this one the quick here? That one? How much is it for one of them? 20. And do you want one? No? Just one quick then, please. Okay. Hello, brother. You're my quick man then. Yes, they're very big quick. Is this one egg? Yeah, this is the spicy one. Right, guys, look at this. Quick time. See that egg inside? Can you see it okay?
It's a whole egg, I think so.
That's quite good. I got the sweet one only. Let's walk towards the light.
So let's go, guys. Go.
I didn't get the spicy one. I wanted spicy. I only got sweet. But it's still good. Not too bad, guys. Right, what is it you want? The baby elephant? Guys, there's a baby elephant here. But first and foremost, I've got to get some tokens. A white one? Right, come on, let's go. I think we need to pay this man over here for tokens or something. This place is just in the middle beside a basketball court as well. Hello, brother. How are you? How much is it for token? 5 pesos per token. How much? 5 pesos. Per token? Okay, can I have 4 tokens, please? Okay, we'll try 4 times to win our baby elephant. In fact, give us 5 tokens. 5 tokens. I think it'll take that other token to get it. Yeah? Baby elephant time.
What do you want?
You said you want this one? Okay. Okay, one to play once. Okay, you ready? Let's go, guys. What do you think? Is that it? That way?
No. Yeah.
That way? Ready?
Go.
Oh, we got it. Okay. We've got 4 more of these, so we're just going to stick at this one. And we're going to get it, guys. We're going to get it. What do you see? I'm moving her over now. Okay, so that's just the head, I think, guys. And maybe... What do you think? You have a go? Wish it luck. That way?
I think it's okay.
Maybe? Go. Oh, 2 more, guys. We're gonna get it. Let's see. In we go. Mary Joy,
Yes.
have a go. We need your luck. Go. You do the last one. You do the last one. You win it for Anne. Win it for Tay. Go, Tay. You do. Oh, that was a close one. Like, that was kind of close. Okay. Right, go. The luck. No pressure. Let's see. Can she get it, guys? And we're here. Let's see. Oh, no, that's not good. That way. That way. No. Mary Joy, what are you doing? Take over.
No birthday. Maybe like that.
Maybe. No, over this way. Your time limit. No. Maybe. Okay. Oh, okay. No baby elephant, but we've got our own baby elephant in white as well here anyway.
It's okay.
Let's go to the next place, guys. Damn it. Well, guys, would you look at this? This looks pretty darn good. I've actually spied this cheese hot dog sort of thing over here, and I'm liking the look of that. So I'm going to pretty much ask this lady how much it is. Hey, how are you? How much is your hot dog? 40. 40? Okay, I will have a hot dog. And what would you like, this one. Is this a burger? Guys, the hot dog is looking pretty darn good. Let me see. Ah, okay, so this is the mango shake, is it? Can I have 2 of the 20s? Yeah, or maybe just one big 40, okay, 140. Share a mango shake on. Very nice, guys. Look at that. My hot dog over there.
How many this one?
I got one of these.
Okay.
141. Unless you just want your separate 20, but you know. We're starving as well. Here, that's the Christmas tree right behind us, but everyone has just started queuing up to basically get to it, guys. And it's going to pretty much start in about, I don't know, 15 minutes or something like that. And apparently there's going to be fireworks later too. And yeah, big massive crowds of people are just flooding in as and when. Here's our mango shake down here. And there's a nice little straw to go in. Very, very nice. Have you paid for mine already?
Yeah.
You have? Right.
I think this.
You maybe try, maybe you take my mango shake. Let me try this first.
I hope.
It's so thick and it tastes very, very mango-y. Very, very good, brother. Nice mango shake. Very nice. So maybe...
You try your... Put down
How
first
to
there,
do this?
maybe.
Maybe I get that one,
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I think I'm going to bite it on the top. It's got all that cheese. It's cold, like there's no way they can warm it up. So I would prefer it if it was warm, obviously, in complete honesty. And the rain is on, but it's Christmas time. I mean, back in the UK, it's always like this, so who am I to complain? Okay, guys, we're selling cheese popcorn and regular. What is this one? Sweet? Is this a... Oh, hello, how are you? Is this a sweet popcorn? 10? Can I have 2 sweet and 2 cheese? Yeah, so 2 and 2. So, 4 altogether, okay. Very good. You pay the lady on.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna get cheese. Guys, look at my hot dog just here in front of all of that.
How about
Yeah, 2 and 2.
2 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get on. I'm hungry, I want to get back. Guys, what is Anne doing to me? Making me wait so long. Get the lady paid on. You get back here. Nearly.
This one too?
2, yeah. What you doing?
I'm looking change, but not enough.
Okay. Look on. Thank you, salamat. There's no way, I can't. Guys, Anne's trying to hand me this. And look, I'm holding the camera and this flipping hot dog here. Right guys, so everyone's here pretty much just starting to do a prayer, so to speak. And there's all these little candles out that all the kids are doing. So literally in about, I don't know, 5 minutes it's going to start. Something like that. So looking forward to it. The tree's in front of me, so it's going to be really, really bright here in a moment. So excuse the darkness, but I'm looking forward to it. Like. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that! Like, it has literally just started. Birds are flying as well. What the heck? What's my chance of sound like? idea if we're getting a shuttle van or a bus home. So good luck for us finding one of them getting back. It's really nice, the whole town is lit up though, because you can see all of that even above, behind, just everywhere. And then there's more of the tree actually way over in the distance. It was good crack, you know what? I'm glad I came. The weather held up nicely too, so not all bad. I'm also seeing all these little balloon things absolutely everywhere, and it kind of looks like the inside of the universe or something like that. So really, really good. Glad I came, guys.